Hey everyone, it's Noah from the Flatline Company. Just doing a quick demo video of our redesigned StethoScope Clip. So just to give a quick update on some of the changes. So I'll just kind of show how it works. I'll just you have the pocket clip here, which kind of can fit into any standard size pocket, as well as a duty belt. You pull off the bungee here. It's got multiple different sizes for stethoscopes. You place the bell in here and it grabs underneath, and then you can fold up stethoscope like this. Grabs on the both sides so it stays out of the way. As you all know, stethoscopes like to get caught on stuff. And then you just pull the bungee over top and it stays nice and snug. So what's convenient about this one is that it's got multiple different attachment sites. So the first one being it's MALI compatible. So we've got a centered MALI size clip here. You can kind of feed it through, and as long as those teeth bite through, and your MALI clip here, so you can center this properly. There you go. It's kind of in there, and then it's got a bit of a loop here, so that any kind of weight will prevent it, but it's easy to remove as long as you lift up as you're kind of pulling away. So you can pull underneath, lift up, and it comes right off. Same can be said for a standard size duty belt. So as you do, just kind of feed it over top, wait for it to bite in, boom, and then it's kind of got a lip to grab onto here. So you can keep it on you on calls. And then finally, for the nurses and people that just wear standard pockets, and also because it has a little teeth on the backside there, can fit onto defib pouches or regular pockets. Someone wants to bite on there, so you can keep it like that as well, or on any kind of backpack or anything like that. So got some different sizes available too. So this is for the 2-inch duty belt, so it's still MALI compatible with these two sides here, and some fun colors that are standardized. And if you want custom, you also available that on the website. So I hope you have a great day, and stay safe out there.